Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here today. I've spent the last couple of days storing my winter clothes, at least those chunky sweaters and long wool coats that I will no longer wear since the weather is getting better. Besides, I needed to bring back my spring clothes and organize them so that I could see what I already have and identify some gaps. This way, I avoid overbuying everything that I see in store. So, in this first section, I have all my ankle boots and bags that I wear on a daily basis. In the next section, I have the button-down shirts and the lighter color blazers. I organize my clothes according to the rainbow color order. So, first the purple and pinks, then the blues and greens, and finally some whites and blacks. The trousers are also organized in the same color scheme. This way I have the matching trousers just below each blazer. In this tray I keep all my jewelry, earrings, necklaces and rings. And below I have this glass drawer where I have some sweaters and cardigans for the coolest days. The Cezanne Gaspard cardigans are very versatile for spring, since during the day we have a considerable temperature range. I can unbutton them or even wear them over my shoulders. In the middle I have my marinières, the Mona jumper, the Leontine and also a plain white V-neck sweater that I love wearing with a pair of white linen trousers. In this next section I have my darker blazers, some warm jackets, my trench coats and only one long wool coat. All the other ones were stored away until next fall-winter. I still have some knitwear here that didn't fit my drawer. Below are all my t-shirts, tank tops and bodies. On the left I have two trays with belts, the first one with the camels and some colorful belts, and another one with the black belts. Still one tray with some sandals and two baskets with my underwear. In the last section, it's where I keep all my spring shoes, my loafers, ballerinas, sling bags, more sling bags, and some summer shoes. I also have these chest drawers where I keep all my joggers and sweaters in the first drawer, my jeans in the second drawer. I organize all my jeans according to Marie Kondo method. And in the third drawer I have some more bags, more playful ones that I usually wear during summer. And that's it. That's my spring wardrobe organization. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!